having metal dust inside of your case is very, very, very dangerous. So you don't want any short circuits afterwards. So I use magnets. So I put them underneath, and when the metal dust goes down, it gets stuck to the magnets. And you use pieces of paper so you can then unfold them and throw them away, because if you don't use paper, the dust will attract to the magnet. After that, it's very difficult to remove the dust from the magnet. Check this out. I have only started, I drilled a small hole, and already how much metal dust there. So I drilled a little bit bigger hole, and this is as much metal dust I get. Magnet is inside, so you just unfold this and wrap it and throw it away. Check this out. We got one round magnet and one square magnet. A couple of small magnets. Yeah, need to clean all of this up really well.